Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ambassador Chijoke. I'm the chairman, National Youth Council of Nigeria, Rivers State Chapter. We are holding this press briefing this afternoon to inform Nigerians and the world of the happenings in our states. Now, one, the call for the impeachment of His Excellency by Chief Tony Okucha, the factional chairman of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State. That the youth of Rivers State has stated clearly today that we are in support of His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, because we all elected him as our governor. We want to use this medium to call on Chief Tony Okucha to retract attacking the office of the Governor of Rivers State. Henceforth, or the youth of Rivers State will take the protest against him to Abuja. We want also call on Mr. President to call on Chief Tony Okucha to order to stop inciting crisis in our state. Rivers State is a very peaceful state. Rivers State is a place where people are doing their normal business. Rivers is a place where we have a governor that loves the people who elected him. Each time Chief Tony Okucha comes to incite Nigerians, especially Rivers people, against the governor. So we want, as the youth, youth of the state, we want to call on Tony Okucha to immediately apologize to the governor of Rivers State. And let us state it, that no one man can impeach the governor because we voted for the governor of Rivers State. And as such, we must continue to protect the governor of Rivers State. So I want to call on Rivers State to be on red alert that those criminal elements who want to hijack the resources of our state are here again to cause crisis. And that the youth of Rivers State are also saying that the tenure of the local government council chairman is standing up. We heard that most of them say they're not going to vacate office. By law, their tenure ceased to exist from 18th of June 2024. About a few minutes ago, we also heard that most of them said in the press briefing that the state government should release funds meant for them. We are all in Rivers State. The immediate past administration led by Chief Barrister Wike when he was the governor of Rivers State. All 3 months allocation of council chairmen will start paying them. And I want to ask, as the youth of Rivers State, were these people not council chairman then? Were they issuing this kind of press statement? The answer is no. And the Rivers people were aware, will not take it for granted. We are going to come out and protect the governor of Rivers State. This is the time we need to support our governor. And then this council chairman should immediately be called to order by security agencies. Now, whatever they want, on the 18th of June, Rivers Youth will give it to them. We are ready and prepared for them. And I also want to call on the State Assembly, the former Assembly members, led by Martin Zamewuli, who has been repealing law. I would want to ask, he was in the Ninth Assembly as the leader of the House. Was this law being repeated? That's why it's no. But because you say a man that has conscience, a man that is very peaceful, I decide to cause crisis in our state. Henceforth, as youth, we will take it from them. We are calling on Martin Zamewuli and his cohorts to allow peace to reign in our state because it is too much. The tenure of the council chairman will elapse on the 18th of June, and as much, they must vacate their office by law. And that no one man can sit down somewhere and arrange a law that will favor him. What also call on Mr. President, for the second time, we all voted for you. Call yes or Wike to order. He's giving us crisis in our state. Go to Abia State, it's very peaceful. Go to Akwa Ibom State, it's very peaceful. Other things are very peaceful. Why is it that Rivers State, each time, Wike wants to hijack the social Rivers people? Want to call on the president to call Martin Zamewuli and his cohort to order. Because on the 18th of June, Rivers youth will take this opportunity. They must leave their office. They must vacate their office. What also call on the governor of Rivers State not to be afraid that the youth of Rivers State are solidly behind him. And I will continue to protect him and also ensure that he's going to be governor for 8 years. The governor has done that tenure for 8 years, for 16 years and 5 months. This is the turn of the riverine. We must support the riverine for 8 years. So we want to call on the youth to be on alert that those individuals who want to scuttle their resources are at it again. I'm also asking a question. Who have the lives of Samuel Wike, who is a chairman of the government. He also served during the tenure of Wike. Can he try this way Wike was the governor? The answer is no, they can't try that. But we are ready and prepared for them. We must continue to protect the governor of the university, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. Finally, I want to assure our youth that they are in safe hands because the governor is a man that lost. The governor is a man that has conscience. And they should go home and sleep. Any moment from now, there must be other appointment we do now where youth will be given opportunity to serve. It should not be the third. We should come out and continue to protect the government of the university. Thank you and God bless you.